The H1B Guy here, and today, the H1B Guy Grades, August 2022 Visa Bulletin predictions versus the actual bulletin released. Find out what I got right, what I got wrong, and my final grade. But before we get started, I'd like to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube and like this video, so that I can continue to produce more content like this for you. I also wanted to mention the H1B Guy offers a variety of consulting services. I help businesses and individuals solve complex work authorization issues in the recruitment process while bringing awareness to employment-based immigration benefits. If I can help you, please reach out. I'd love to hear how. And you can book an appointment directly with me via the h1bguy.com. Today's post is brought to you by Syndesis and Path to Canada, the ideal plan B for high-skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain, by PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process, and by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa-related challenges? Maybe your OPT visa is about to expire and you weren't selected in the most recent H1B lottery? Our partner Mob Squad has a solution. Join the squad. Well, today I'm going to grade what the H1B Guy forecasted for the August 2022 Visa Bulletin versus the actual August 2022 Visa Bulletin that was released by the U.S. Department of State. For those of you that are new to this channel, each month I predict employment-based preferences as it relates to the monthly Visa Bulletin. Once the monthly Visa Bulletin is posted by the Department of State, I create a follow-up post in the form of the H1B Guy Grades to find out how I did with my predictions for the month. Let's jump right into the results for the August 2022 Visa Bulletin that was released on Friday, July 8th, 2022. For final action dates for India in EB1, I predicted August 1st, 2022, actual August 1st, 2022. 31 days forward movement, and my prediction was correct. For India in EB2, I predicted February 1st, 2015, actual December 1st, 2014. No forward movement, and my prediction was over 62 days. For India in EB3, I predicted January 15th, 2012, actual February 15th, 2012. 31 days forward movement, and my prediction was under 31 days. For China in EB1, I predicted August 1st, 2022, actual August 1st, 2022. 31 days forward movement, and my prediction was correct. For China in EB2, I predicted May 1st, 2019, actual April 1st, 2019. No forward movement, and my prediction was 30 days over. For China in EB3, I predicted March 22nd, 2018, actual April 22nd, 2018. 31 days forward movement, and my prediction was under 31 days. For El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras, for final action dates in EB4, I predicted November 8th, 2017, actual November 8th, 2017. No forward movement, and my prediction was correct. For Mexico, in final action dates for EB4, I predicted April 1st, 2020, actual April 1st, 2020. No forward movement, and my prediction was correct. Moving on to dates of filing for India in EB1, I predicted August 1st, 2022, actual August 1st, 2022. 31 days forward movement, and my prediction was correct. For India in EB2, I predicted March 1st, 2015, actual January 1st, 2015. No forward movement, and my prediction was over 59 days. For India in EB3, predicted January 22nd, 2012, actual February 22nd, 2012. 31 days forward movement, and my prediction was under 31 days. For dates of filing for China in EB1, predicted August 1st, 2022, actual August 1st, 2022. 31 days forward movement, and my prediction was correct. For China in EB2, predicted June 1st, 2019, actual May 1st, 2019. No forward movement, and my prediction was over 31 days. For China and EB3 predicted April 1st, 2018, actual May 22nd, 2018. 51 days forward movement, and my prediction was under 51 days. For dates of filing, for El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras and EB4 predicted December 8th, 2017, actual December 8th, 2017. No forward movement, and my prediction was correct. And finally, my forecast for the Visa Bulletin release day. My three predictions were Tuesday, July 12th, 2022, Wednesday, July 13th, 2022, and Friday, July 8th, 2022. The actual release day, Friday, July 8th, 2022. I was correct on 8 out of 16 of my predictions for my forecast of the August 2022 Visa Bulletin, grading out at 50%. Finally, after 9 months of no movement for EB3 for final action dates and dates of filing for both India and China, we saw 1 month of forward movement across 3 of the categories, with EB3 China having over 50 days of forward movement. However, there was no movement for EB2 India and China across either of the other employment-based categories in final action dates and dates of filing. Last month, I felt like EB2 dates would hold, but we saw forward movement across both. This month, I felt like we would see 1 or 2 months of forward movement, and there was not any at all. I'm assuming that this implies that we will see maybe 1 month of forward movement for final action dates for India and EB2, but most likely no movement for dates of filing in September's Visa Bulletin for India or China. The rumors of corrective action in the beginning of fiscal year 2023 continue to persist, and as I also continue to say, only time will tell if there's any truth to it or not. Per the August Visa Bulletin, the annual Diversity Visa Lottery was held. It goes on to say, quote, Diversity Visa Lottery 2023, DV 2023 results. The Kentucky Consular Center in Williamsburg, Kentucky has registered and notified the selectees who are eligible to participate in the DV 2023 Diversity Visa Program. Random selection of DV participants was conducted under the terms of Section 203C of the Immigration and Nationality Act, which makes up to 55,000 permanent resident visas available annually to persons from countries with low rates of immigration to the United States. Approximately 119,262 prospective applicants, i.e. selectees and their spouses and children, have been registered, notified, and may be eligible to make an application of an immigrant visa. Since selection is blind to the number of family members who might immigrate with the selectee, it is likely that some of the selectees will not complete their cases or will be found ineligible for a visa. This larger figure should ensure that all DV 2023 numbers can be used during fiscal year 2023, October 1st, 2022 until September 30th, 2023. Entrants registered for the DV 2023 program were selected at random from 9,570,291 qualified entries received during the 35-day application period that ran from noon Eastern Daylight Time on Wednesday, October 6, 2021 until Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday, November 9th, 2021. The visas have been apportioned among 6 geographic regions with a maximum of 7% available to persons born in any single country. During the visa interview, principal applicants must provide proof of a high school education or its equivalent or show 2 years of work experience in an occupation that requires at least 2 years of training or experience within the past 5 years. Those selected will need to act on their immigrant visa applications quickly. Applicants should follow the instructions in their notification letter and must fully complete all required steps. Now, this comes as welcome news for those individuals that were selected. And yes, I did read that correctly. There were over 9.5 million registrations for the DV 2023 lottery, and USCIS selected over twice the annual allocation to ensure that all available numbers will be used during the 2023 fiscal year. Does this sound familiar? It should, as it's a similar tactic that USCIS applied to the H1B lottery for fiscal year 2023 as well. For the full post on the H1B Guy Grades August 2022 Visa Bulletin predictions versus the actual bulletin released, please check out the H1BGuy.com. And a reminder that today's post is brought to you by Syndesis and Path to Canada, the ideal plan B for high-skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain. If you're facing an H1B denial or OPT expiration, don't get caught off guard. Make sure you have a plan B, and Syndesis and Path to Canada are your answers. They'll gladly help you navigate the process, and if you want to find out if you qualify, please be sure to use the link in the video description below, and someone from Syndesis or Path to Canada will be in touch. And also by PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process. If you're looking to reduce your costs and overhead associated with PERM labor certification recruitment advertising, let PERM-Ads.com help you. And also by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa-related uncertainty? Maybe your OPT visa is about to expire and you weren't selected in the most recent H1B lottery? Our partner Mob Squad has a solution. Mob Squad helps technology professionals facing U.S. work visa uncertainty remain working with their current U.S. company nearshore from Canada, and also technology professionals from around the world who are seeking an opportunity to find a rewarding career in North America. Through their partnership with the Canadian government, they can obtain a Canadian work permit for you and your spouse in as little as 6 to 8 weeks. Whether you're looking to stay working with your current U.S. company or you want to find a new opportunity in Canada, please find out how the team at Mob Squad can help you via the link in the video description below. Join the squad. Just wanted to ask you again to please like this video, subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube, and click the bell for notifications so that you're notified anytime we post new content here to this channel. If you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate your support. The H1B Guy, your global source for all things H1B.